PDFs are a universal format in our digital world, from contracts and creative briefs to articles and resumes. They're everywhere. Yet, if you ever tried to edit or customize a PDF, you know how quickly things get frustrating. Adobe Acrobat has been the go to tool, but it's expensive and often overkill for most tasks. Enter UPDF, a powerful and user friendly PDF editor designed with creators in mind. UPDF works seamlessly on all major platforms. This includes Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even iPadOS, making it an accessible choice for anyone looking to streamline their workflow without breaking the bank. This versatility means you can work across all your devices without worrying about compatibility or extra licensing. UPDF is rising as a major contender in the PDF space, packed with features but offered at a price that makes sense, especially for independent creators and small businesses. Creating content can be time consuming, especially when you're juggling multiple sources or need to format everything just right. UPDF has powerful editing features that make working on PDFs feel like editing a Word doc. You could add, delete, and modify text and images, highlight key points, and even annotate with comments or sticky notes. It's perfect for collaborative projects or for taking notes on research papers, articles, or client briefs. But what sets UPDF apart is its AI integration. UPDF AI acts as a personal assistant for creators, enhancing productivity with four core tools. There's Summarize, which distills the main points of lengthy documents in seconds, and Translate, so you could read global literature or communicate with a diverse audience without any language barriers. For complex terms, Explain quickly clarifies obscure words or in-depth topics. And with chat mode, you can ask UPDF to adjust the writing style, optimize content for different audiences, or answer questions about the text. Plus, UPDF's online AI assistant includes a feature for converting PDFs to mind maps, giving you a bird's eye view of a document's core ideas, perfect for visual thinkers. Sometimes a PDF is just the starting point for a project. UPDF's format conversion tools make it easy to transform PDFs into 14 other formats, including Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and image files. This versatility is especially helpful if you're creating reports or presentations and need your content accessible in multiple formats. One-click conversion keeps everything looking clean and professional, so you don't have to worry about reformatting each element from scratch. Another standout feature is UPDF's OCR, or optical character recognition. Available in 38 languages, this feature allows you to convert scanned documents and images into editable, searchable text. Let's say you've taken a photo of notes or a printed article. With UPDF, you can turn that image into an editable document instantly. It's perfect for digitizing old records or making sense of handwritten meeting notes, giving content creators new ways to repurpose material efficiently. In today's digital age, security is everything, especially when it comes to protecting your intellectual property. With UPDF, content creators can set permission levels on their PDFs, ensuring that sensitive information is only accessed by authorized users. You can limit who can view, print, or edit the document, and even lock it down with password encryption. These protection features can go a long way in securing your work, whether it's a project proposal, client documentation, or a creative draft. UPDF's encryption tools use advanced algorithms to keep your data safe from unauthorized copying or sharing, giving you peace of mind when collaborating remotely or storing your work in the cloud. It's about taking control of your digital files and protecting your creative assets from being shared without your consent. One of the biggest advantages of UPDF is its affordability. While many PDF tools charge hefty fees, UPDF brings all the power without the price tag. In fact, UPDF costs only about 12% of Adobe Acrobat's price, but it offers just as many features. And unlike many other editors, UPDF also has a perpetual plan, meaning you pay once and get a lifetime access. No recurring fees, just a one-time investment for long-term use. With UPDF, you get a license that covers up to 4 devices, letting you seamlessly switch between your desktop, tablet, or phone. This flexibility makes it ideal for busy creators who need access on the go. Whether you're on your laptop, in the office, or checking files on your phone, UPDF gives you complete freedom to work across platforms at a price that fits your budget. If you've been using UPDF's free version, now's the best time to upgrade. With the Pro version, you unlock the full power of UPDF's tools. And right now, you can take advantage of UPDF's Black Friday discount with up to 50% off. This means you're getting one of the best PDF editors out there for half the price, but only for a limited time. Whether you're a content creator, student, or professional, UPDF Pro has something for everyone. With features like AI assistance, format conversion, and secure content protection, it's an all in one tool that will change how you work with PDFs. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. I will have a link to UPDF's Black Friday deal in the description below. And thanks to UPDF for sponsoring this video. Tell me in the comments section below what you think of UPDF or what PDF editor you use and prefer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. This is You're the Hero. Peace.